Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Epic Educate. It is an educational channel. Subscribe and support this channel. Today we will go to solve problems on compound interest. The formula for finding compound interest is equal to A minus P. A means total amount, P means principal amount. So first we find out the value of A. How can we find out the value of A? So A is equal to P into 1 plus R divided by 100 whole to the power of NT. It is the formula for finding total amount A. Okay, this formula again we write shortly. P into 1 plus R divided by 100 whole to the power of N. Consider this formula. A indicates total amount, P indicates principal amount, and R indicate rate of percentage. Already we discussed what is rate of percentage, what is principal amount, what is time period in previous video. Okay, and N indicate number of conversion periods. Okay, using this formula we find out the value of compound interest. Consider an example. Find the compound interest on Rs 12,600 for 2 years at 10% annum compound annually. Consider this question. Principal amount is Rs 12,600, rate of percentage is 10% and number of conversion period is 2 years. Okay. First we find out the value of A. The formula for finding value of A is P into 1 plus R divided by 100 whole to the power of N. Put the values on this formula. So P value is 12,600 into 1 plus R is 10 divided by 100 whole to the power of N means 2. Simplify this one, we get total amount A. So A is equal to 12,600 as it is. First we simplify this one. 10 ones are 10 tens are 100. Simplify these two, we get 10 plus 1 divided by 10 whole to the power of 2. After 12,600 into 10 plus 1 11. 11 divided by 10 whole square is 121 divided by 100. Okay. Again simplify this. These two zero cancel. The value of A is equal to 126 into 121. Simplify these two, we get value of A. 126 into 121. 6 2 1 2 6 is 12. 1 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5 1 1 2 1 is 2. Again consider this one. 6 2 1. 6 as it is. 2 2 4. 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 1 is carry. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 as it is. So the total amount is 15,246. Rs 15,246. It is total amount. Next we find out compound interest using formula. Ci is equal to A minus P. Okay. So Ci is equal to A minus P. The value of A 15,246 and P is 12,600. Simplify these two, we get compound interest. Okay, simplify these two. 15,246, 12,600. carry 6 0. RS 2646 is the compound interest of this problem. Okay, understood? How can we solve compound interest using formula?